Welcome to my review and demonstration of the Karcher K3 home pressure washer. This being the home model, you get a surface cleaner, you get an extension arm, and you get the patio deck cleaner. You also get a 6-meter hose. If you were to buy any of the normal Karcher pressure washers like the K2, K3, you will only get a 4-meter hose. I have also reviewed the Karcher K2 pressure washer and other brands of pressure washers on my channel as well. If you want to watch them, I'll leave a link in the description box below and a pop-up card. I purchased this in the Easter sales for £130. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave a link in the description box below next to the like and subscribe button. Some paperwork, instructions on how to use the actual product and what other products they sell. I thought I'll get this patio clean out the way first. This is the model T150. I won't be using this one because when I bought my Karcher K2 Premium, the exact one was included in that, so I'll be using that one with this body. I've already assembled that, but I'll just quickly show you it. It's got some Kärcher brand in there, and at the bottom it's got 2 jets there, and it is really effective at cleaning your surfaces. You could fit your gun directly on there, or they have included a 0.4 meter extension arm. This I'll just show you how it assembles. So you can see them 4 things there, and you've got 4 cutouts there. That would match that way, so it's pointing towards the left first of the actual base, and then you push it in and then you twist it towards the right, so that point there would match up with where it says Kärcher and the point there, and that's assembled. The quick connect that would fit at the back of the unit, and there is a bit of assembly to do because there are 3 screws there, and I think that would fit at the back of the unit as well. Of course, I'll walk you through that. You get a 500 milliliters of patio and deck cleaner because this machine does have a little compartment at the back where this would go in, but you don't have to use this. You could use your own, or if you want to use this, you can use this. Dirt blaster lance. This is really good for getting rid of weeds or stuck on dirt on your stone and stuff. This is the multi-purpose one. If you can see there, it says hard and soft. The actual gun. The gun does have a safety lock on it, so it's locked now, and then push it back out, ready to go. And these 2 tabs, you push them out, you'd put your hose in there and then click it back. I'll just connect the dirt blaster lamps to show you how they fit. They all fit the same way. Just push it in and then twist it to the left. There you go, it's connected on. And to remove it, you push in and twist. It's removed. Apologies if it's a bit windy, it looks like it's going to rain, so I better wrap this video up quickly. This was everything else that were left inside the box. You get 2 wheels, of course. 6-meter pressure hose. As I mentioned at the start, the lesser kits come with a 4-meter hose, and this comes with a 6-meter hose. That would fit at the back. That fits at the front of the body, where it says Karcher K3. And you could see there it's got 4 places there that will hold 4 screws, those that come provided, and that would fit there, and they would go in like so. The actual body itself, the cord length, I think it's 5 meters. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up or know more about it. That of course is your on off, and it does have a safety latch there, so you pull that up, you'd push the hose in and then push it down. And that part, that's of the actual detergent tank. Just pull it back. The quick connect would fit on there. That's the tank, so you'd open that, put your detergent in and then close it. You can also put your car wash shampoo in there as well, because with the K2 Premium, that was a home portion and a car cleaning portion, and it's just 1 tank, but of course use 1 at a time. You just close it like so. It's a lid at the back. The guns would fit on there. Everything lives aboard. It's a nice compact size. They just click into place. You can see them 2 things there, and you could see these 2 things at the bottom there. They would push into that. So this, you could see, it's got 4 holes there. They would match up with the 4 holes on that side. So push it into place. And then you get 4 screws provided, of course. Put them in. Just tighten them. The Phillips screws, by the way, or crosshead if you want to call them crosshead. There we go. Once that's done, just need to put the quick connect on now. Could have done that first really, but because that's on. By the way, I will be using the universal Karcher connector. I used it on my K2 and on my other pressure washers. I will leave a link again for that in the description box if you want to pick that up, because as I mentioned in the K2 video, I don't know if you've seen that, a lot of the reviews were saying that when you put the cheap ones on, they just blow away. So then I did a bit of research and I found that it was for about £7 or something here in the UK, and I just put that on and it works absolutely fine. Let's connect the 6-meter hose. Lift that grey part up, just fit in, push it. And let me put the other end of the gun, so, then clip that back on. I'll try this lance first, it's the hard and the soft one. So as I showed you before, pull it in, twist, that's it. And to change that around, like it says hard and soft, you just twist it around. It's not locked. Just so I'll quickly show you the Karcher quick connect I was on about, the one that I bought. It's got aqua stop on it as well, so it won't let water leak out. That just fits at the back of there. I've connected the water pipe on. As I was going to clean stones first, I got instructed by my 7-year-old daughter that I need to clean the trampoline. As you can see, there's some mold around there. There's water coming out now. Should be safe to turn on. I don't know if you heard that, it sort of kicked into life. I've twisted it to the left. That's the hard one, that. Just to show if I were to turn it to soft. That's not really doing much, that. See that on hard. Onto the paving, you can see that mark there. I'm going to leave it on the hard setting. Not really doing much because I haven't cleaned these stones for almost a year now, because the last time I think I did it was last summer. So yeah, it's not really doing much. I will have to use the patio cleaner, but I'm going to get the dirt blaster lance just to show you how that works. Back to the same again, and you can see there's some weeds there as well. I'm hoping it will get rid of that. Oh yeah, no problem. You know, the dirt blaster lance is a lot stronger than this. I think I haven't unraveled the pipe fully. If I can just turn it down, show you there. So of course the water's not flowing through properly. That's my fault. Let me unravel it properly and then we'll give it another go. I've unravelled it now. That will teach me for being lazy. By the way, that was a bit of work unravelling that because it's 25 meters. If you are finding the video useful, a like would be appreciated. You can see now it's picking it properly. That's what it's fit. A lot better. Go for that one. Can you see the way it's sort of spinning the water around? Of course, you don't need to adjust anything on this, even with the dirt blaster lance. They all have one setting. that is truly effortless, and due to its size you could clean up a lot quicker as well. So rather than using the little lances messing about, if you do have a bigger area to clean, use this, because it's got rid of them little spots. I'm an average size guy, I'm about 5'9", and it's just about right for me. If you're taller, this may be a bit short for you because there's no other extension. Well, that's the end of my demonstration of the Karcher K3 pressure washer. Overall thought, another fantastic piece of kit by Kärcher. The K2 is really good. The K3 is slightly more powerful. To be honest with you, I can't tell the difference. So if you are thinking of purchasing one, get the one that you could find cheapest, because at the time of making this video, which we are in August 2020 now, this is still on for £130, because when I purchased it from Amazon, it was on sale for £130, just the home portion, and the actual pressure washer itself normally it retails for around £170. I definitely recommend this product. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.